8 years, and that's only because I did media. And I realized that it's a small thing. It's going up on stage and facing people and first of all, this is Vishal Khurana. He's done the music for the film Neeja. And you all have heard Jeete Hain Chal. A lot of people have sent me messages saying that they were in tears and they love the song and it resonates and gives them heartache and all of that. That's very cool. Was it supposed to give him heartache?
I don't know.
Okay, I don't know.
It's because of your performance.
My Basha, it's not because of the music. It adds, yeah? Okay.
सॉन्ग्स के बारे में बताएं सॉन्ग्स
विशाल, आप गाने के बारे में बताओ क्योंकि आप are the best person to talk about the music, right?
The music in total.
Yeah, in totality, what, like they want to know music. Camera no, okay, just have to look at the center,
The music for this film is very simple and very heartfelt, and I think it's because of the inspiring lyrics of Prasoon sir that it adds that real emotion, whatever. And the film is very genuine and very raw and very honest, and the performance of Sonam especially is like mind blowing.
Okay, so you're supposed to say that.
I know, but that was the real inspiration actually.
Sonam, congratulations for the song. It will be a chartbuster, no doubt.
Congratulations, why congratulating me? इन्होंने गाना बनाया है.
But still,
Just give me my-
आपकी acting है. You're a part of this song. You're a part of this movie. It will be a chartbuster. After एक और chartbuster है, which is Coldplay. People are enjoying it. Your fans are enjoying
What do you
it.
think
Yeah,
of the
it's
song?
amazing.
Amazing, right? Amazing, yeah.
Yeah, people are enjoying it. But there are certain people who have not liked the song. Beat.
I think I'll tell you, I'll answer this in one statement. There's something amazing that I read on Facebook. The most Indian thing about Coldplay's video is the reaction to it.
That's so cool.
So how are you facing it?
I want to talk about Jeete Hain Chal. I want to talk about Aankhein Milaenge Dar Se, because right now let's talk about what we as Indians are doing, not what people are doing to Indians. So Jeete Hain Chal is the first song that was out, and there are 4 songs in the film. 4, right? 4 songs. There's Jeete Hain Chal. There's Aankhein Milaenge Dar Se, which is right now my personal favorite. Then there's the mother song. What is it called? The mother song?
Aisa Kyun Maa.
Aisa Kyun Maa. And then there's a love song which we'll be launching very soon. So there are 4 songs, and they're all situational, they're all inspirational, and there is obviously no lip sync in this film, but it adds to the performance. Filmmaking is a collaboration, it's a collaborative process, and I don't think anything separately works, and music is such an integral part of it. And especially in a film like Neeja, the music has to be really like delicate and beautiful and add to the film. And I think Vishal has done an amazing job with that. So and they are all written so beautifully, and that's all Prasoon sir. I mean, he's the person who wrote Masak Ali for me. Like I said inside, it made me world famous in India. I'm using Atul's lines, and it made me Sonam Kapoor. And it was a story. It was a song about freedom, and I think over here he knows how to write for young people. I feel he understands the voice of young people. So where Masak Ali was about freedom of a young person in India, for me, Aankhein Milaenge Dar Se is the voice of what I think the youth in India are feeling right now. That we don't want to be scared anymore. We want to face everybody and everything and have an opinion like we do on everything. So I think he gets the pulse, and he is, I think, one of the most important poets of our time right now. So I'm very, very excited that Prasoon sir has done 3 of my films. Yay! हाँ जी. Besides my mother. मैं actually honestly अभी दिखाई नहीं देता, but I was a very shy person. मैं बहुत ही shy थी. I'm not very good at public speaking. मुझे स्टेज फ्राइट बहुत है. एक्चुअली 8 साल पहले मैंने एक स्टेज परफॉर्मेंस दी थी, और उसके बाद I had never performed on stage till I did Stardust or something. I did in Stardust I danced again after 8 years, and that's only because I did Neeja. And I realized that it's a small thing. It's going up on stage and facing people and performing or dancing or talking on stage. I don't know if you've never heard me host a show or danced on stage or any of those things. And only because I did Neerja, I realized, yaar, main kaun hu yaar, maine kya kiya life mein? This girl faced fear and she saved life, and she realized she was fearful for her life and she still did it. What am I fearful for? Ki log kya kahenge? And I think that's everybody's biggest fear. अब मैंने एक campaign किया है Fear versus Neerja, और I'm telling you 90% of the people who have been tagging me and tagging Fear versus Neerja are all afraid to be themselves and are afraid of लोग क्या कहेंगे. And I think that's all our fear right now, and so that was my biggest fear. लोग क्या कहेंगे.
Sonam, you said your dad has seen the film. What was his reaction like?
आप उनसे ही पूछ लो ना, मैं क्या बोलूँगी.
सोनम 10 साल पहले भी ऐसी एक मूवी आई थी रंगे बसंती.
हाँ जी.
10 साल पहले भी ऐसी एक मूवी आई थी रंगे बसंती.
प्रसून सर कुछ बोलना है?
लोगों को बहुत इंस्पायर किया था. तो आपको क्या लगता है ये मूवी भी उतना ही लोगों को इंस्पायर कर पाएगी?
I hope so. I hope so. I hope so. I hope that happens. Both the directors' names start with R and Prasoon's attached. कुछ तो हो जाएगा. And both of them are my directors, if I may say so. So I hope that happens. I really, really hope that happens because this film is to inspire people.
And ma'am, is this creatively your most satisfying experience?
Every film I would say the same thing. So till now, this has been my most creatively satisfying. I could do what I wanted to do in this film.
Any fear you want to overcome?
Lots of fears, yeah.
एक अगर बोलना चाहें.
A fear of not having I don't want to ever not have an opinion on something.
Sonam, for instance, Shah Rukh's intolerance statement became a big thing. No, my question is whenever these days, whenever we ask him questions on those, he says that I won't be talking about it. So, is there a fear about expressing one's opinion?
No, that's what's scary. That's exactly what I said. You know, recently at a conclave where they asked me to talk. I don't know why they keep calling me to talk about things. Obviously, they know I make good copy, but I was like, just imagine the way we are reacting to someone like a Shah Rukh Khan or an Aamir Khan or anything. They will be afraid to say or talk about things because of the negative reactions. We should be supportive of people who have opinions, good, bad or ugly. Everybody should have a right to speak. And I feel like no matter what, like I went through this even 2-3 years ago. I said something and I was trolled like on another level. Not 2-3 years ago, it was actually a year ago. I don't know why I feel like it was so long. But then at the end of the day, I was like, if I have this platform, I have this voice, people actually listen to what I have to say. I'm going to keep doing it no matter what. Eventually, somebody will hear what I have to say.
How was it working with Beyonce?
I didn't work with her. But it was amazing. Thank you.